Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.